Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing my very first unboxing video, and this one is from Dyson. So I have a scissor here. So this is my daughter's scissor. So and we have here a Dyson Supersonic. So let's see, it's sealed. My wife got it somewhere, I don't know, without my knowledge, but I'll unbox it anyway. So here you go, Dyson Supersonic. I don't care about the other details. Let's just open this box. It's around $200 to $220 probably, or $400. Yeah, I made a mistake there. I don't care. Anyway,
What are you doing?
I'm gonna unbox this one, so I'm not gonna use it, of course. Probably you will.
Meh.
So let's see what's inside this one.
Oops.
Go there, so
Okay.
you can see what's inside this.
I want you to see. I want to help you.
Yeah, you can do it later on
Oh,
because
another box?
another box.
And what's
Okay.
inside it?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. And we have another box here. I gotta push this out.
And what's inside it?
Mm-hmm.
And I think there's another box there. Okay. Oh, so can we open it now?
Okay, so we remove the external box, and then we have another box here. It's fully sealed. So it says Dyson Supersonic, Air Multiplier technology, stainless steel, LED indicators, airflow settings, negative ions,
I think there's another one.
cold shot, engineered for balance, whatever. You can probably see it.
Maybe there's another one.
No, it's just the receipt.
And
Okay, and
the other one.
here's the other features. Hope we can see it on. Intelligent heat control for shine, powerful digital motor. Okay, whatever. The packaging is really nice, man. And let's try to open this one.
Daddy,
You can help me with this one.
Okay.
Come on. Get this up.
Okay.
Get this up.
I can pull it.
Yeah.
I will pull it up.
Pull it up. Good job.
Okay.
And finally, here it is. This have a really nice packaging, I must say. Really nice
So-
packaging.
What's
And-
another box? What is
Of course.
this?
I
How can you?
spent too much on it.
Whoa.
Wow.
And
Okay, so
wow.
got a protective foam here
And that's what I have.
and
And
manual, and it says, "Hello and welcome to your new hair dryer. Visit Dyson Supersonic hair dryer owner's page." Okay, so this is the manual, of course. So we're going to see what are these things. So probably look at the manual
so
and see what do we have here. So
um,
okay,
did
we have some sort of manual here. So we have the hair dryer itself.
can you
So-
borrow this?
There's a button. So, what?
What is this?
On and off button, push button, and you see it's futuristic style. It has this thing has a magnet here, so it snap on this stuff. And then we have the smoothing nozzle. So which one is it? Probably this one. And we have styling concentrator. Probably
one?
No. So this is a smoothing nozzle. And this one is the styling concentrator for precise styling, dries and styles of the same time. And this one, this big one, is the diffuser. Helps to define curls and reduce frizz gently. This is how I use it. And it actually simply snap on.
Daddy?
Just like that.
Daddy.
You can remove it.
Daddy.
Oh,
Daddy.
same thing. Snaps. And of course, this one. This again is the smoothing nozzle.
Daddy?
Looks cool. So we haven't actually looked at how they function or how are we going to use this. So it's just the unboxing, and I'll try to demonstrate it probably on the next video.
Sit.
Thank you, and this is the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. And let's put it there.